Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, I just pretty much want to show you how to connect to the MLSP Facebook group, how to get the notifications, and pretty much how to stay on top of all the trainings that happen in the community. So there's actually two ways to get inside the MLSP VIP group. The first way is if you just join, right? If you became a member and you get to this, you log into your account and you're here, you basically want to click Start Here. And then you want to pick whether you're a network marketer, affiliate marketer, or a traditional business owner. For this purpose, I'm just going to pick the traditional, I'm just going to pick a network marketer, affiliate marketer tab here. And in step one, as you're going over the overview, right, you can, couple of things. You can like the business page, right, on Facebook. This is where you're going to get your Wednesday training. We do training every Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern. And number 3 is how you access the group, right? You click here, and then basically when you click here, the group will pop up if you're already logged into Facebook, right? But for this purposes, let's just say you're not in your account and you want to kind of find the group on Facebook while you're on your phone or while you're on your computer. You just can come here and click MLSP VIP. As you see, I searched it before, right? You can click VIP members, and it will pull up some options. You're going to click here, 1.4 thousand members, and boom. Now, here's the kicker. If you're not a member of the group, you want to click join, and you want to use the exact name that you use or that's on your credit card when you actually pay to become a member, because that's how they're going to pretty much validate who you are. So if your name is Sean Johnson, which is my name, when they ask you your name, because there's going to be a set of questions, when they ask you your name, you put your real name, right? Because that's going to be on your credit card or whatever type of thing you use to purchase. And then it's going to ask for your username. And then once you do that, you click submit. And then at some point, somebody's going to approve your account. And then you're going to be a member of the group. Now, if you want to be able to get the notifications that goes on, like if you want to get notifications of different posts, updates, and things of that nature, once you're a member, once you're joined, right, you come to join. Make sure you follow the group, right? You want to follow the group as well. So if you just new and you just joined in the group, this is going to say follow, right? So you click on it, and then that's going to pop up unfollow. If I click like unfollow, right, boom, right, that's what you can see. I click follow. Boom, you can see follow. Also, you want to click manage notifications. So when you click on manage notifications, like in the app notifications, you're going to get, I pretty much picked the highlights, push notification. I picked the highlights because I wanted to pop up on my phone or pop up on my screen. And then I put pending post notifications on. And that's pretty much it, right? That's pretty much it. You click save, and then it's not going to show save because I didn't change anything. You click save. And boom, now you're going to get notifications. Now you're a member of the group, and then you are actually following the group. Now, if you want to kind of connect to some of the trainings that we had in the past, or maybe we're doing some summits, or maybe we do some challenges, right? You want to come to guides, right? Click on guides, and boom. First video is the video or post that Brian is welcoming you into the side of the group. Secondly, what's going on right at this moment is the Rockstar 9-Day Virtual Summit. Now, I've been getting questions of people, coming to the group, and they can't locate the trainings. They can't locate the summit. So they're scrolling through the group and looking. They're like, Sean, I have no clue where's the training, right? I don't know what's going on. Can you help me, right? So basically, if you have to see the replay, just come to guides and click on guides and scroll down. You're going to be able to see the replay, and the session is going to be listed here. So as you can see, you got day 1, 2, because you had 2 sessions on day 2, 2 sessions on day 3. That's why you see the number twice. And day 4, which was today, as I'm shooting this video, February the 12th, 2022, today. So our second session should be later on today, I believe. Now, not only do they have this one that's current, but we also have other trainings, right? Guide number 3 is pretty much the new members checklist. Make sure you click on that and read that post and get that information. Then you have the Go for Yes challenge, right? Then you have the Posting for Profits challenge. You have the Post Prospect and Recruit social media challenge. I mean, if I can scroll down, you see all the challenges that we had that's in the group, and boom, this is what you want to check out, right? So that's exactly what you want to do when you become a member of the group. All right, let's kind of recap. You want to make sure you join the group. You want to use your name that you have on your credit card. Use your real name. Then enter your user ID for MLSP. Make sure you go ahead and follow the group. Make sure you manage your notifications. Go ahead and pick highlights, push notification, highlights, pin and post notifications on. And from there, if you want to kind of catch some of the replay of the training, click on glass. It'll pop up. Also, if you say like the training is going on right at this moment, is inside the group, sometimes it's not going to be at the beginning. You just have to click discussion. Sometimes it's not going to be at the beginning. You have to kind of scroll down and try to catch it while it's going on. Sometimes it's just not going to pop up like that. So as you scroll down, you may actually see it live. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it. So again, if you're a new member to MLSP, I hope this video was informational to you to kind of show you exactly how to get the notifications to the group, how to actually join the group, and what to look for when you actually become a part of the group. Now, if you're not an MLSP and you're looking for a way to market your business, you're looking for a way to generate leads, learn how to communicate better, leveraging social media, learn how to communicate better, leveraging email marketing, go down in the description, click on that link you see in the description, and take our 30-day trial for $1. And once you do that, I'll connect with you and kind of give you a blueprint on what you need to be doing so you can have success in whatever you do. So hey guys, Sean Johnson with a quick tutorial MLSP video, how to connect to the group, what to look for in the group, and how to make MLSP the best system to use for your learning and your business. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace and hair grease.